Alright guys, we're in Albany. Came in yesterday for Noengra, and I'm just heading to, there's a drive that they told me about that apparently is a scenic drive, and it's all sculptured, timber sculptures of different things that a fella does with a chainsaw. So dog pound, oh geez, Barnes, don't want to be in there. So I'm just trying to locate it. So apparently you might be able to get out, but apparently it's not meant for you to get out, it's meant for you to have a drive through. It looks like there's a little bit of a park spot there actually. So please stay in your vehicle. Dangerous wildlife. Crikey Moses, what they got in here? Lions and tigers. Dangerous wildlife. What could be dangerous here? Maybe there's a lot of snakes. Alright guys, I enjoyed that. I hope it comes up well enough on the video for you to have a look, but it's pretty fantastic. I hope the video, the GoPro, gives it does it justice, because it's really good. So trust me. Oh, here we go. Bit of a naked lady there. Wow. So trust me guys, if you're in Albany, it's only like, it's virtually right on the edge of town. If you're in Albany, come and have a look. It's absolutely worth it. Fantastic. Amazing that he just does it with he's just done it with a chainsaw. And he's got a couple of posts on here, but he's got a big chainsaw carved out there. I suppose his tool of the trade. Incredible. Alright guys, that was good. I really enjoyed it, and I really recommend, you know, if you're in Albany, slip around here. It's only 5 minutes and a couple of bucks, up to, you know, or $5 if you want to give the full donation, but it's worthwhile seeing. Mike from the Old Fellas Travels, I rate it. I give it a 10 out of 10. Really good, worthwhile seeing, and only a few minutes of your time, even if you're passing through. Cheers guys. I hope it works out and you can appreciate what I just did through the video. Catch ya.